Hello, my name is Johannes Stumpf and I'm standing here in our warehouse in Schweinfurt, and I want to show you our stainless steel manifolds which are next to me. I want to unbox it. Please have a look. They are coming in sizes from 3 to 16 circuits. They are pre-mounted, as you will see. There is some technical data inside. The flow below, the return bar on top, flow meters, and some valves which can be adjusted manually, or you can attach an actuator on a standard 30 times 1.5 thread. The actuators are also available from us, of course. And what is very interesting and a unique point of it is that the bar is non-welded. So this is really connected directly to the bar. It's a 1-inch connector, and from the circuits you have standard Eurocon connectors in total. There is a filling valve here and a manual breather here on the flow bar and the return bar. And of course you can interconnect the manifolds with a connector, which is also available in our shop. Thank you for your attention and have a great day. Bye. Hello, my name is Johannes Stumpf. I'm standing in our warehouse in Schweinfurt, and I will show which are coming in. Fuck! Another time, too long.